Many people are unsure how to properly measure out tubing. Rest assured, it's not as hard as it seems. At Hoopologie, we have a standard practice of measuring the tubing with a cloth measuring tape. We start the measuring tape at the end of the coil and run the tape along the outside of the tubing. We do not recommend a metal tape measure for this. You will definitely want a cloth measuring tape that is conformable. Holding the end of the tape measure with one hand, you will take the opposite hand and run it along the outside of the tubing with the tape measure held to the top of the tube. Once you have reached your arm's length, hold the tape measure in place with the leading hand and bring your opposite hand to meet the leading hand, and then repeat the process until you've reached the desired inch measurement for your hoop. Make sure that you are starting with the end of the measuring tape that starts at 1 inch. Use the pipe cutters to make as straight a cut as possible at the desired measurement. If you are cutting from a new coil, you will need to cut the straight ends off, which is approximately 1 to 2 feet, and start measuring from there.